A network is how devices talk to each other, and for CompTIA A plus Core 1220-1201, this matters because the exam may ask how devices connect, how they share resources, and what might be wrong when that connection breaks. By the end of this quick bite, you'll know what a network is, why networks exist, and the basic pieces to recognize on the exam. Welcome to QuickBytes Education. Today's quick bite is all about what a network is, explained simply, quickly, and clearly. Let's get started. Here's what we're covering today: what a network means, why networks exist, common network types, and the devices that make a network work. A network is a group of connected devices that can communicate with each other. Those devices could be computers, phones, printers, servers, tablets, cameras, or smart TVs. The key idea is connection plus communication. If your laptop prints to a wireless printer, that's networking. If your phone connects to Wi-Fi, that's networking. If an office computer opens a file stored on a company server, that's networking. Think of the network like a road system. Devices are buildings, data is traffic, and the network provides the roads that let everything move. On the exam, they may test this by asking what a network allows users to do, like share files, share printers, access the internet, or communicate with other devices. Networks exist because devices are more useful when they can share. Without a network, every device is isolated. With a network, users can share internet access, open shared files, print to shared printers, back up data, and connect to business apps. Here's where most people mess up. They think network automatically means the internet. The internet is a network, but not every network is the internet. A small office can still have computers and printers talking to each other, even if the internet connection goes down. Quick checkpoint. A network connects devices, lets them communicate, and helps them share resources. Now let's name the common types. A LAN, or local area network, covers a limited area, like a home, classroom, or office. A WAN, or wide area network, connects networks across larger distances. The internet is the easiest example. A WLAN, or wireless local area network, is a local network that uses Wi-Fi. A PAN, or personal area network, is a very small network around one person, like Bluetooth headphones connected to a phone. On the exam, watch the scenario. One office usually points to LAN. Distant locations points to WAN. Wi-Fi points to WLAN. Bluetooth around one person points to PAN. Now let's connect the hardware. A switch connects devices inside a local network. A router connects different networks together. In a home, the router usually connects your home network to the internet. A wireless access point lets wireless devices join using Wi-Fi. A modem connects your home or business to the internet service provider, depending on the connection type. Simple version: switches connect local devices, routers connect networks, access points provide Wi-Fi, modems connect to the provider. Most people get this wrong because a home router often combines several jobs in one box. It may act like a router, switch, wireless access point, firewall, and sometimes modem. But on the exam, focus on the job being described, not just the name of the box. For CompTIA A plus Core 1, be ready for scenario questions. Which device connects multiple computers in a LAN? That points to a switch. Which device connects a local network to the internet? That points to a router, and sometimes a modem, depending on the wording. Which device allows wireless devices to join? That points to a wireless access point. And what is a network for? Communication and resource sharing. Here's what you just learned. A network is a group of connected devices that communicate. Networks let devices share data, printers, internet access, and services. A LAN covers a local area. A WAN covers a larger area. A WLAN uses Wi-Fi. A PAN is a small personal network. Switches connect local devices. Routers connect networks. Access points provide wireless access. And modems connect you to the internet provider. If this helped you understand what a network is for CompTIA A Core 1, like the video, subscribe, and keep building your knowledge with QuickBytes education, one quick bite at a time.